So David, first off, what brings you guys to Cloud Expo?
I work on the OpenShift team, and we came to Cloud Expo just to meet developers and kind of help build some developer mindshare around OpenShift and deploying applications in the cloud.
How big is open source technology happening right now?
Oh, open source technology is huge right now. I mean, you've got NoSQL solutions like MongoDB, completely open source, Couchbase, completely open source, and developers are just really eating that stuff up right now. Yeah.
What other elements in the developing world are you hearing, or what are the buzzwords right now in development?
I mean, definitely a buzzword is PaaS, Platform as a Service. Everybody wants to deploy their applications very quickly. Other buzzwords, probably things like NoSQL, definitely NoSQL. Free. Developers want to do stuff for free.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So are you seeing a lot of software or platform providers now using API because of the availability to developers?
Yeah, I mean, APIs are huge. Every time a developer writes an application, instead of reinventing a lot of things, they want to use APIs from other services in order to very quickly prototype their application without having to rewrite a lot of existing stuff.
What do you think of crowdsourcing as it pertains to kind of the world of developers?
Yeah, I mean, crowdsourcing is, just look at like something like Twitter, where somebody tweets something and then it disperses out to millions and millions of people, or maybe like mapping APIs. Like there's a company, CloudMade, and they have a crowdsourced map data. And I mean, yeah, crowdsourcing is real huge because it really allows the entire population of users to build the data, sanitize the data, make the data better over the course of time.
Cool. When you hear infrastructure as a service, what do you think of?
DC2.
Damn it.
Sorry, Red Hat.
Yeah, cool. Something else about Red Hat. Can you give us a quick little kind of blurb on Red Hat? What you guys do, where you're based?
Yeah. So Red Hat, I mean, everybody knows Red Hat Enterprise Linux. There are a lot of other products that Red Hat has, like Rev, Enterprise Virtualization, OpenShift, the group that I work with, and then there's CloudForms, which is a not exactly 100% sure what CloudForms is because I don't work with that group, but there's a lot of other products that Red Hat does that people don't often associate with Red Hat, like JBoss, for example, Java Application Server.
Cool.
Red Hat is located in Raleigh, North Carolina, corporate headquarters, big offices all around the world, a lot of people in the Boston area, and then out here in Silicon Valley, we've got a lot of people as well.
Cool. So obviously scalability, a huge word with cloud computing.
Sure, yeah.
What about on-demand technology? What are you hearing?
On-demand technology, like with respect to what?
As it pertains to anything. So whether it's consumer to business, business to consumer, the ability to kind of use technology anytime, anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, on-demand is absolutely huge. If you don't have the ability to provide an interface for a user to sign up for a new account without picking up the phone and calling a sales guy, the user's probably not going to use your service. People want to be able to self-provision. They want to be able to get started right away. They don't want to have to wait for hardware to show up and for an account manager to get in touch. Yeah, I mean, so on-demand is absolutely mission critical to the cloud.
Cool. Perfect.